Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make this yummy shrimp salad. It's so delicious. So if you'd like to see how to prepare this yummy recipe, keep watching the video. So I'm gonna start by seasoning my shrimp. I already washed and cleaned my shrimp. I left the tail on mine. You can remove yours if you'd like. So to season my shrimp today, I'm gonna use paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, black pepper, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. And you want to mix all of that seasonings into the shrimp really well. So next on this plate, I'm preparing the flour batter that I'm gonna dredge the shrimp in to make it crispy and fry it up. So on this plate I added some flour and some cornmeal. You guys don't forget to check the description box down below for all the ingredients and the measurements I'm using in this recipe, okay? And next I'm gonna season up the flour mixture with the same seasonings I used to season the shrimp basically. So I'm gonna use some paprika, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and if you want you could add some Cajun seasoning here as well, okay? And then you're gonna use a fork and just combine the seasoning with the flour and the cornmeal really well. Okay guys, so I cracked 2 eggs in this bowl right here, and I'm just gonna use a fork and beat the eggs. You could do more eggs, but I'm not doing a lot of shrimp, so 2 should be enough. And I'm just gonna beat it together. I'm adding in about a tablespoon of water just to thin it out a little bit, not much. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be dipping the shrimp in before we fry them up. Alright, so here's my seasoned shrimp, my wet batter, and then the flour batter right here. So what I'm going to do is take my shrimp and I'm going to dip it into the flour mixture first, and then the egg mixture, then back into my flour mixture, and that's it. This is how we're gonna coat them, okay? You don't have to do 2 dippings. You could just do the shrimp into the egg and then the flour batter, but when you do the 2 coatings, it'll make it a little extra crispy. So sometimes I like to do it depending on my mood. So I'm gonna do all of the shrimps and then we're gonna fry them up. So while I'm doing this, you guys, I have my pot, my frying pan over medium high heat, and I have some oil in there, okay? I'm gonna add enough oil to fry the shrimp, and I'm just getting it nice and hot for when it's ready I can just drop my shrimp in. Okay guys, so my oil is ready and here is one of my shrimp fully coated. So I'm just gonna place it in the oil, and now I'm turning my heat to medium heat on the stove because I don't want the shrimp to burn. I'm just gonna fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's crispy and golden brown. Also, another thing, you guys, if you don't want to fry the shrimp and you want to keep your salad extra healthy the way a salad should be, all you have to do is you can saute the shrimp instead, or you could bake it, season it and just bake it. Alright, and just like that, all of my shrimp is coated and battered. So I'm gonna flip them to the other side and get that side nice and crispy as well. Look at that, so crispy. Looking delicious. So in this part right here, I'm cooking 2 eggs. I'm boiling them, and that's for my salad also. All right, so you want to boil about 2 eggs. The easiest way to boil eggs is to put the eggs in the pot, fill it up with water so that the water is covering the egg. Let the pot cover it, let the pot come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to turn off the heat and let the egg sit for 10 minutes, and then you have perfectly boiled eggs. Or sometimes I like to boil it for about 4 minutes and then turn it off and let it sit for 10 minutes just to be extra sure they're hard boiled, because I do not like runny eggs, y'all. So I'm going to start removing the ones that are cooked. Okay guys, so I'm removing my last batch of shrimp, and then we're gonna put the salad together. Okay guys, so this is the bowl I'm gonna be building my salad in. So you want to get a nice large bowl, and I'm gonna start by dicing up some veggies for our salad. So today I'm using red onion. I love onions, love red onion. Okay, can't make a salad without it. So, and again, any of the ingredients that I'm using, you can omit whichever you don't want to use or you don't like, or switch up the veggies. You don't have to make it the same way. It's just an idea for you guys to make a salad at home. So yeah, so I'm just gonna dice up the onion. So I'm gonna use tomatoes. I was contemplating if I wanted to use tomatoes, because tomatoes is one of those things that I don't hate it, but like, yeah, I have to be in the mood for it. But I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna dice it up, and yeah. I got this cucumber right here, and I'm gonna slice up maybe about half of it. So next I have my 2 boiled eggs, and I'm just gonna peel the eggs. I'm gonna use a fork, and I'm gonna break up the egg. I'm just gonna use my fork and break up the egg. You could slice it up if you'd like instead, but a fork works perfectly fine if you want to just have it like this for your salad. And you should have this. All right, for the base today I'm using this. It's half baby spinach and half baby spring mix. Okay, so you can use this, or you could buy lettuce and chop it up. You could do spinach, it's up to you. And we're just gonna place that mix or the lettuce in the bottom of the bowl like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna layer some of my veggies. So I'm gonna add the cucumbers, and I'm just gonna add it on the side like this. I have more left over, so I'm going to add some on the other side. And at this point you could design and layer your salad, build it however you would like. Okay, make it look nice and pretty. The tomatoes, I'm going to add it right here. And right here I'm going to add my red onion. I'm gonna add my shrimps. So now I gotta add my eggs. And you guys, that's basically it. That is it, you guys. So the last thing to do is to add some dressing. So today I'm using ranch dressing. You can use your favorite ranch. I'm using Hidden Valley Ranch, it's the best. Just gonna drizzle the ranch dressing on top and we're finished. Just like that. And that's it. That's how I make a shrimp salad. Guys, that is it for my shrimp ranch salad. It's so delicious. Again, you could switch up the veggies, omit what you don't want in there, but that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this salad video, let me know in the comments down below so I can bring more salads to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.